In this video, I'm going to show you the commit history with Git log. I'm currently connected to my terminal in the test repository. If I run a git status command, as we have just done a commit, we have a clean working directory, so there is nothing to commit. To show you that all the changes we have just made are in the Git repository, we can use the git log command to get our list of commits. If I type git log like this, press enter, Git replies with all the commits that are part of this repository. It starts with the commit ID, and then we have commits and identifiers. After the commit identifier, we have the author. It's me, followed by the date and then our commit message. In this case, we received our multi-line commit message that we have entered by using our text editor. We can get similar information by using the git show command, like this. And it displays the last commit and the diff containing all the modifications.